iRobot Roomba 650 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner with Replenishment Kit. iRobot Roomba 650 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner with Replenishment Kit. The Roomba 650 vacuum cleaning robot provides a thorough clean, all at the push of a button. The patented, 3-stage cleaning system easily picks up dust, pet hair and large debris like cereal. Preset Roomba to clean when it's convenient for you, so you can keep up with everyday mess. Roomba works on all floor types, and at just 3.6 inch tall, is specifically designed to fit under most furniture, beds and kickboards. The iRobot Roomba 650 vacuum cleaning robot brings onboard scheduling to the standard setting Roomba. With AeroVac Technology, Roomba 650 easily handles fibers like hair, pet fur, lint and carpet fuzz. A full suite of sensors and low-profile design enable Roomba to seamlessly navigate under furniture and around clutter. At just 3.6 tall, Roomba has been specifically designed to fit under most furniture and kickboards, so dirt has no place to hide. Cliff detection sensors allow Roomba to avoid stairs and other dangerous drop-offs. Specifications: package dimensions, 17 by 5 by 18 inches. Package weight, 11.8 pounds. Robot dimensions, 13.39 inches in diameter, 3.62 inches in height. Robot weight, 7.9 pounds. Bundle includes one Roomba 650 vacuum cleaning robot with AeroVac bin, one iRobot Roomba 600 Series Replenishment Kit, iRobot Roomba 650 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner with Replenishment Kit. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.